Me always appreciate me gift to them because of what they have done for me. So I want to come talk about like me as I look up Gigi Bop over here, so. The amount of things that my son do, me never do it yet, boy. I want him to know. If stop dealing with people like everybody has some little small bitch. When you deal with everybody the same. Everybody is not the same. You have people out there that put their life together. I mean, I'm one of them boy there, man, we are trying to put their life together. I mean, not take shit from everybody. I don't know if I have that in our head. Once you not put your life together, stop take shit from everybody. Because you not fight for you put your life together, bro. When you not try better on yourself, bro, and you try put your life together, bro, not take the shit from nobody, bro. Try better on yourself, bro. And that me over here try do better myself. So me not take no shit from nobody, bro. Or make nobody feel like me less of myself, bro. Cause I work for a better me.